Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you love the video.
Our people are only qualified to guide pipelines. Are very stupid and very foolish. We must learn a lesson. This man, wristwatch and cup of tea, wristwatch and cup of tea, then tear gas him. They tear gas him. He fell. He fainted. He passed out. And then throw the tear gas. If something way bad for issue. We just pray. Photo. Nigeria is not my country. My dear brother, I don't know what you mean by terrorists. It is very shameful for you to accept that. But that question is not meant for me. My kinsman is an armed robber. A group of people were bribed with money. Don't insult me. We don't want to fight. We don't want to kill each other. Everybody come and sit down. His life cannot be in danger.
God have mercy upon us.
5 years of madness.
Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos.